And I want to break down for you how exactly the vaccine distribution and the entire drive has reached this stage. There were phases that the government identified, and let me break that down for you. The first phase, phase one, was to focus the transportation of the vaccine. So from the manufacturers, so that was Serum Institute of India in Pune and Bharat Biotech in Hyderabad, it was sent across to several cities, almost 13 cities via air. Now it was sent by flight. Now then it was kept at a primary vaccine store. So it was taken from in a refrigerated van. It was then kept at a state vaccine store, and all of these were identified by the administration with adequate provisions to ensure the vaccines can be stored, and all along in transit is kept in a refrigerated van to ensure that it's temperature controlled. So from there, from the state vaccine center, it's taken then to a district vaccine store as well, and from that point it goes to the primary healthcare center, and that's where the vaccine is administered. So that was done this morning. It was sent to the primary healthcare center. Phase 2, where we are currently, is identifying and vaccination. So here in the session site, you will see the registration of every single beneficiary, of every person who is to be vaccinated, the allocation of a site where you'll get vaccinated, etc. And finally, the vaccination process itself. There's a certain time that's been allotted for every individual to be vaccinated. And that brings me to phase 3, a very important stage. This is post-vaccination. What happens here? Well, there's an acknowledgement for the beneficiary that they've been vaccinated, and this is done by generating a unique health ID. Everything is online because that makes it almost smoother. There's a QR code based certificate that's given so that it identifies whether you've got the first dose, whether you've been fully vaccinated, and gives you all the details you need to know. And also, very importantly, you can report any side effect after vaccination in this process, and the government is focusing on this as well to ensure that if there are any side effects that are reported, they immediately are kept in the loop and need to take the necessary steps. So this is the elaborate process that's been put in place by the government. So far as the transportation of the vaccine goes, it's been very, very smooth. Today is phase 2, identification and vaccination. We're sure it will go off smoothly because we have had mock drills that have gone off very, very well across the country.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.